Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Ranveer and today we come up with a great announcement that we are doing for last 2 years. And we're happy to launch and introduce Color Sep Pro. So this is a revolutionary software that will save your time, that will save your cost, and that will give you great quality output for your prints. So here you can do all your artworks like CMYK, halftone, monotone, vector, and the most complex one, simulated process in just one click. So yes, you can do everything in just one click. You can do your CMYK, you can do CMYK underbase, you can do CMY for flute boards and boards, you can do single color halftone, you can do your vector separations, and you can also do the high complex spot colors and simulated process in just one click. I know I have trained thousands of students, thousands of customers of our organization, and they have just one question: how I will edit. Normal vector image you can manage, but you want to do high complex image like spot color, simulated process, they want high-end skill designers. So that's not very easy. And if you don't know how to do spot color and simulated process, you are not in the game because that's give the high quality printout you can see in many brands in the market. So here in our software, you can do all of this in just one click. CMYK, vector, single color halftone, and the high complex spot simulated process. So guys, I'm very happy to announce this, and this is the revolutionary thing that will help so many screen printer in the market. So guys, let's go to the screen and show you the screen layout. So guys, you have seen how easy we have done the editing in just one click, and after we have given the print demo as well. So this is very easy now to do your all color separation. So no need high-end designing skill. Now you can create your stunning graphics in just one click, and you can create your great film outputs, and it will print in your object. So guys, this video we have given you a small demonstration, so we have given you with a faster mode. Will be coming in the next videos elaborately. Will be showing you each and every features that you required to do your printing editing. So guys, stay tuned with us and stay tuned with Color Sep Pro and Printride so that you can go ahead and can start your stunning print. So for subscription of Color Sep Pro, you can go to our website colorsepro.com, and you can go to Printride, and you can go to software section. And any doubt, don't forget to call us 960602088 for any clarification. Stay tuned. See you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and stay printing. See you. Bye bye.